Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video, and if you're into Huck's World, today I got another bad creation for you all to check out. Now you know I care to bring you nothing but the very best. Now this watch face is a hybrid watch face, and you're gonna enjoy this one. Again, it's free for the taking. Hopefully by the time it reaches you, this watch face is still free. Now the name of it is called Rector in AOD mode. You're gonna get the exact same look. It's just gonna be dimmed down in the AOD mode. Once it's on, you get this nice look, get animation going on in the background, nice premium analog hands, and a nice second ticking hand that's ticking around the bezel of the watch. Now you're gonna get your digital time as well, which means you get the best of both worlds. You're gonna get the day of the week and your date at the bottom as well, and you're gonna get animated seconds dead center. Now for those of you all who wanna look good and still keep up with your step status info, here it is around the bezel of the watch. That's your step status info. Over here is going to be your floors climbed. Over here is going to be your S health information, and right here is going to be your heart rate. So I thought this was pretty cool for a free analog watch face, but this is not the highlight. The highlight is this. For those of you all who are talking about going out on a Friday and you want to dress to impress and you're looking for a nice analog watch face, this is going to be the one. So if you double tap, you can get rid of the step status info. If you double tap again, you can dim the information, well, the animation in the background down. And if I tap again, I can get rid of it. Now I have a premium looking analog watch face ready to hit the town. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative, and if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then make sure you subscribe to the channel and make sure you hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I drop more videos on this channel. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. Enjoy. The weekend is almost here. And with that, I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.